comfort. We have tried to land and sea, but as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather.
Alright everybody, it's 1:30. I'm getting back on the road. It's not as early as I wanted to be back on the road, but it's fine. No rush. I'm headed to go get gas now. Alright, time to get back on the road. I used Gas Buddy to find the cheapest gas around, $2.51. Other places were like $2.69. I was like, ugh. It says do not enter, and it's telling me to take a left. Or is it? Oh, it's telling me to go around. Okay. This GPS can be confusing at times. Thank you. Alright, I'm actually headed to Benson, Arizona, which is an hour away from Tucson. Squeaky. See, right when I get going, it's squeaky. But as soon as I get on the interstate, 30 minutes into the drive, 20-30 minutes, it'll stop. Oh, that's cool. I like the kind of tribal art they've done on the wall. Guess that's better looking than graffiti. Hey, it's all art anyways. Alright, I'm getting back on 10 West and heading to Arizona. Squeakity squeak. Gotta get that fixed. Alright, I'm 58 miles away from Lawrenceburg and 212 from Tucson. Oh, it's gone. I just saw a little, like a small twister thing. Oh, there it is right there. Look. That's kind of creepy. Ooh, God, that pushed me over a little bit. I seen one of those when I was growing up, actually, right outside the schoolyard. A big dust twister. I guess there is dust storms around this area. Union Pacific. I heard people actually jump on those and ride, but I don't see how you would do that. Well, there are open carts. There was one open cart. That's a long train. Oh, graffiti. More graffiti. And there's the end of it. It's a big cool hill over there. Mountain, peak, whatever you want to call it. Jeez, I just about got knocked off the road with a gust of wind. That was a strong gust of wind. Better slow it down to 55. I was just going like 62, and all of a sudden a gust of wind just blew me almost right off the road. I was like, oh my God. Really gave me a heart attack. Okay, I'm awake now. Alright, 5 miles away from Gage, Lawrenceburg 44, and Tucson 202. Got some pretty mountains in the distance there. And also over there. Right, the speed just went up to 75 and I entered the safety corridor. I don't know what that means. I guess because I'm starting to get into the mountains or in between, that there's no more risks of the sandstorms and strong winds. There's Gage Rest Area. Oh, motorhome. It's kind of cool out there. Continental Divide, elevation 4,500 feet. I just passed the sign for the Continental Divide. It was elevation 4,585 feet. I'm at mile marker 51. So I take it I'm 51 miles away from the Arizona border. Miles away from Separ and 26 from Lawrenceburg and 180 from Tucson. Sorry, there goes another sign. It said dust storms the next 45 miles. So I'm keeping it under 60. better control. So these train like sets just parked along the side of the road, not moving. There was a last one I saw was a flat one. These actually seem like carts, like the coal carts and stuff. I guess that's where they just store them. It's cool. They have a bunch of like old buildings here. There's a couple of them. No roofs though, but the walls are still up. This is Separ, exit 42, Continental Divide. Yeah, there's a trading post there too. It's supposed to be Bowling's Continental Divide Historic Trading Post. Oh, a TP. Nothing but open land and mountain range. And dust storms. I see them out in the distance. I doubt you can probably see them on the camera. They're right on the end of that mountain range. There's two dust storms. They're just kind of circling around each other. As long as it stays out there, I'm good. Another motorhome. Hey, fellow RVer. They're carrying their car on a trailer. Back to the dust storm. Oh, it's starting to thin out now. That's what I was talking about earlier. There's more of those just train parked. That's the flatbed ones. I am 11 miles from Lordsburg and 165 from Tucson. Caution, dust storms, zero visibility possible. Do not stop in traveling lanes. Use extreme caution. Yeah, they're just kind of spread out everywhere. I see like two more over here on the left side, and then there's one small one on the right. Oh, there goes one that's close. It's just whipping around. Yeah, that one out there is just kind of staying in one spot, it looks like. But it is far away, so it might be moving, I just can't tell. All these people flying. Fly, people. I'm gonna stay my butt at 55. Well, between 55 and 60. A lot of DWI on this road because I've seen signs all over. Even call signs saying if you see anybody, report them. Alright, we're coming up on Lordsburg. There's 3 exits. It's very dry out here. Dusty. Travel advisory, turn to 1610 a.m. Oh, there's a dead cat on the side of the road. That was awful. Well, she had a rhinestone helmet. That was kind of cool. Police officer just passed. Way station. Speed limit 65. There was a cop behind me, but he just pulled off onto the exit. Which reminds me, seatbelt. Yeah, I believe we're getting close to the Arizona border. These gusts of wind are strong. Another one just tried to blow me off the road. But then, blow me into the other lane. Ugh. Getting into the mountain ranges again. They're all around. All the way around. More caution to dust storms. Yeah, we're coming into the mountains. That's beautiful. Looks like a little bit of desert too. We're coming on to an exit. It's Gary, New Mexico. And a police officer, unmarked, just sitting there. Oh, my hands are so sweaty. Grabbing this steering wheel hard. Tucson, there's security. Security! 146. Well, if you want to see mountain ranges, definitely come out west. You'll get your fill of them. I have. They're so beautiful. 13-mile marker. So I'm sure I'm 13 miles away from the Arizona border. Getting ready to pass exit 11 to Animas. That's south. 338. All the exits seem to just go up and to the left. Nothing goes over the railroad tracks. Steins is 7 miles from here, and Tucson 141. Just past mile marker 8. It looks like there's a dust storm trying to start up right there. I better, it's crossing the road. There's, okay. Bombs, Beetle Bombs, World Tour. I have no clue what that is. It looks like some kind of circus or something. Alright, we're at mile marker number 5. 4. That's amazing. Right there. 3. 2. 1. And welcome to Arizona, everybody. This is the Arizona state line. Yay, we've made it to Arizona. And I see 5 dust storms out there. There's 2 there and 3 over there.